Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be plasti dipping the wheels on this Audi R8 along with the emblems. I'm going to be doing the wheels in a bronze color and the emblems are going to be black along with the exhaust tips as well. This happens to be a friend of mine's vehicle. I was back visiting on the East Coast and I said, hey, let me go ahead and film this. I rarely film plasti dip. I need to start doing that. So let's get started. I normally use like a 13-gallon trash bag, kitchen trash bag, and slice it down the sides and make them long, and then wrap the calipers and the rotors really tight. That way a little bit of the overspray of the plasti dip can go inside the wheel. Everything's wrapped up and ready to spray. And I'm putting on light coats, one after another, probably about 4 to 6 coats of plasti dip, and run it up on the tire as well, so the overspray from it can peel off pretty easily. If you just have a little bit, you may have to like dig at it and wipe it or hit it with a pressure washer or gasoline or something to try to get it off. So if you put a little bit more on the tires, it peels off a little bit easier when you want to go ahead and remove it. And just try and hit every nook and cranny I can, over and over and over, and trying to look at it from different angles. In the last 2 coats or so, I lay it on very, very heavy and wet. That way it has a nice slick sheen all the way around. One uniform coat. And I like to pull the bag out from the back so it doesn't mess up any of the plasti dip, trying to yank it out through the front. And here I'm peeling off the overspray on the tire. And you can see some tires kind of absorb it and hold on to it tighter than other tires do. And so far we're done with the wheels, and next are the emblems. So I'm taping everything out. I don't have to do the whole car because plasti dip, it dries once it's like airborne. So I just basically mask off about an 18-inch area all the way around all the emblems. As for the rear, we're going to do the emblems and exhaust tips. This is the last coat, and I'm laying this on very wet as well. And this is just a semi-gloss or satin black that plasti dip makes. Here I'm just trying to peel everything off in one piece, so I'm yanking it off kind of oddly, but I'm trying to get it every angle so I don't have to keep picking at it. The center pieces are the ones that are kind of tough sometimes. They got to get in there with a piece of plastic to try to wrinkle up one little area or something like that, and then use some tape to stick to it, and then pull the tape and it'll pull the plasti dip out of the center. You can see just a little line there from where I peeled everything off. Just a little microfiber towel wipes all those little spots off. And a shot of the rear, the emblems, exhaust tips. And we'll do a quick walk around. Did the whole front grille there, front emblem, side emblem, and the wheels. I think it came out pretty good. Thank you for watching.